The Mathematics Society of SMK Taman Pagar Indah organized a logo design competition for the society. The diagram on the right shows a circular logo designed by Wong, made up of identical sectors from circle with radii 5 centimeters. Okay, now for the first part, we want to find the parameters of the logo, the parameters of the color regions of the logo in centimeters, which means that we want to find the parameter here. We want to find the parameter here. Okay, what do we need to do is, we just need to find one of them. And then we multiply by 12. Why? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, now the question tells you that the radius of this circle is 5 centimeters. Let me draw a triangle for you. Since the question tells you that the radius of this circle is 5 centimeters, therefore we know that here is 5 centimeter. Here also 5 centimeter, right? And this is a regular hexagon. We know that here also 5 centimeter. How do I know that this is 5 centimeter as well? Because this is a regular hexagon. Now if you take 360 degrees, break it into 6 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you will get 60 degrees, right? And these are the radius. This means that the two angles here must be equal, right? So you take 180 degrees minus 60 degrees, you will get 120 degrees, and then you take 120 degrees divided by 2, you will get 60 degrees over here. So from here we know that this is actually an equilateral triangle. Okay, let me erase this one first. All of these are 5 centimeter. 5, 5, 5. Okay, now you can take it this way. Let me erase this one first. Here we have a sector. And the center is actually over here. How do we find the arc length here? Arc length S equal to r theta, right? So if we are using this formula, S equal to r theta, the theta here must be in radian. So I am going to convert this 60 degree to an angle in radian. So 60 degree is equal to 60 times 3.142. Since that there's no pi given to us, so I will just use pi equal to 3.142 divided by 180. Okay, 60 times 3.142 divided by 180. Let me just round off it to 4 decimal places. 1.0473 radian. Okay, now we can start to use this formula to help us to get the arc length here. The perimeter of the color region. Okay, let me find this arc length first. How do we find this arc length? R theta, right? So the R is equal to 5 theta. So theta is equal to this 1.0473. But we have 12 of it. So therefore we take this one multiplied by 12. Okay, just press your calculator. 12 times 5 times 1.0473. 62.84 centimeter. Okay, this is the answer for part A. Now let's solve part B. The area of the color regions of the logo in square centimeters. So now same thing here, we just find the area of this segment and then we times 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how do we find the area of a segment? So you remember the formula, 1 over 2 r squared theta minus 1 over 2 r squared sine theta, right? Okay, now I have a sector over here. 1 over 2 r squared theta is the area of the whole sector. 1 over 2 r squared sine theta is the area of this triangle. So you take area of the sector, which is this one, minus the area of the triangle, you will be able to get the area of the segment. So here I'm going to use this formula to help us to get the area of a segment, and then I just need to multiply it by 12, then I will be able to get the area of the color region. Let me find the area of the segment first. Area of the segment, 1 over 2 r squared, which is 5. Theta is 1.0473. So this is the area of the sector minus the area of the triangle, 1 over 2 r squared sine theta. So the theta, you can use 1.0473 radian, or you can just use degrees, okay? Okay, let's just use our calculator to help us to get the answer. So 0.5 times 5 squared times 1.0473. And then minus, okay, let me write the answer for this part first. 10473 over 800 minus 1 over 2 times 5 squared times sine 60. Okay, here we get 25 times square root of 3 over 4. Or you can write in decimal, is okay. So just take this one minus this one. Okay, you will be able to get 2.2659. This is the area of a segment. Now we want to find the area of the color regions of this logo. Therefore, I need to take this one times 12. Area of the color region is equal to 12 times this one, 2.2659. Okay, let me just round off it to 4 significant figures, 27.19. Okay, so this one, now let me show you how do we use our calculator. If I don't want to write 60 degree, I want to use this radian, you also can get the answer. Now let's look at this one. So if you press this way, 1 over 2 times 5 squared times sine 60. Since your calculator, you set it in degree, you don't have to key in the degree, your calculator know that this is in degree. Just press your calculator, you will get this one, right? If you convert to decimal, it's 10.825, something, and so on. So now let's say, if you use this one in radian, so how do you key in your calculator? Let me key in this one, 1.0473. But this time you need to key in radian. You need to let your calculator know that this is in radian. So press option, angle unit, radian. Okay, then equal. Okay, you will still get the same answer. Not exactly the same, but very close to be. This one will be give the same answer, but maybe slightly different a little bit is okay. Okay, so let's say if you don't want to use in degree, if you want to use radian, you need to remember to key in the radian sign. Okay, that's all for this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.